Welcome information enthusiasts, scholars, researchers, and lifelong learners. This is Dr. Danquah, and in this video tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to your new best friend in the world of digital literacy and productivity, the Bevinzey AI Summarizer text-to-key points tool. Now, this tool is going to save you hours of reading and summarizing text documents, whether it's for work, school, or even for your personal research. So we understand there's a busy world out there, so much information to consume and so little time. So that's where the Bevinzey AI Summarizer text-to-key points tool comes to your rescue. So let's actually dive right into the platform and see how you actually use it. So once you're logged in, you want to click on the services menu option, and that's going to bring you to your dashboard. And then you want to click on summarize text to key points. You want to click on this module. So once you click on it, what you're going to notice is, and the interface is really super user friendly and intuitive. And the way it's going to work is you have two text boxes. The one on the left is where you're going to input your text. Now, there are two ways you can input your text. You could either copy and paste it directly into the text box, or you could upload it by clicking the upload a file button here. You can upload it as a PDF, as a Word document, or even as a text file. So I'm just going to show you how you do that. And I'm going to pull up a document. So this is a 4-page document, and actually it's an early draft from a book I'm writing. And if you're actually interested in the book, I'm going to put the link in the description once it's actually completed. And so let's say this was the topic you really needed to master. You're going to copy all of this. Now, by the way, this 4-page document is actually 2,069 words. Now, I'm using the premium plan for the demonstration, and the limit on it is 2,000 words. So I'm going to just take this last paragraph out, and I believe this should be within the range. So 1983, that's perfect. So I'm just going to copy and paste it in the text box, and you could just quickly go through the content by using the scroll option on your mouse, or you could simply drag the scroll bar up and down. And so that's the first way you could actually input the text. Now, the other way is to upload the files. I'm going to upload the text version. So that's the same document as the text file. I'm just going to click upload and open. And there it uploaded very quickly. Let's say you have a PDF file instead. Maybe you had your notes and it was given to you as a handout. You have the electronic version uploaded to your course management software. And so this would be an example of the PDF version. So just click on that, click open, and there you go. Really nice. But let's go back to the Word documents. I'm going to upload, click on Word document this time. Now for this to work, I need to actually close the document. So click open, and there you have it. Really nice. So that's how you actually get to put the content into the tool. Either copy and paste it directly or upload it. Easy as pie, isn't it? Real easy. So once your text is in place, that's when the magic actually begins. So you just click on the generate button and then sit back as our advanced AI algorithms start processing your text. So you're going to watch as complex texts are dissected and essential key points are distilled in mere moments. There you go, mere moments. It's like having your own personal assistant who loves to read and summarize for you. So here you go. You have an effectively summarized text which offers you the key points and the essence of the content. So just imagine the time you'll save and how you can increase your productivity. But let's quickly go through the text just to make sure that it is indeed having the key points. It says learning is a cognitive process that allows you to gain and process knowledge and skills. So very nice sentence. That's actually from the text. It's driven by our inherent curiosity and facilitated by the brain's neuroplasticity, which enables you to reorganize and adapt itself. So neuroplasticity is actually a key phrase or a key term that you need to know regarding this particular topic. So as you go through it, you'll notice another key term, space repetition. So that's another key term you need to know when it comes to this text, and so on and so forth. So actually what I'm going to do in subsequent videos or in a later video is to demonstrate a very nice number of workflows, how you can integrate this summarized text to key points as part of your learning process. So one way you could do that, as a quick example, is let's say you're going to class and this was the lecture topic for the day. You could simply upload the content in there, generate this summary, digest this summary instead, and then when you're in class, everything will make much more sense, right? Because you know what the keywords are, you know high level what to expect, you know how to even to ask intelligent questions in the classroom. So that's one way to actually make use of this content. But then, like I said in other videos, I'm going to show you so many workflows on how you can use all the tools on Bevinzey to just skyrocket your performance. So you've got your summary, is neatly condensed, and is ready to use for your reports, presentation, study material, or simply for your own reference. So just imagine all the possibilities. You have no more late night stress, no more sifting through pages of information. Bevinzey's AI Summarize text to key points tool is just here to make your life easy and your work more efficient. But that's not all. Bevinzey also allows you to export the summary as well. So you can choose to actually download this as a PDF, as a Word document, or as a text file with just a single click. So the way you do that is at the bottom here, you have a drop down menu. Right now it's in the text file format, but let's say you wanted to download it as a PDF. You're going to just click on PDF, click the export button, one click, you have your summary. Let's say you wanted to have it as a Word document, click on Word, click on the export, you have your summary. And if for some reason you still need a text file, just click on that, click on export, one click, you are done. So let's see what it looks like for the PDF. There you go, really nice, really nice. Or let's say you have your Word document. Let's see what that looks like. So the Word document actually is very useful because for most of us, we want to make some edits. We could say something like key points from lecture 1. And you do this, just organize your thoughts, put in all the summary, study before going to class or after class, or however it fits into your learning workflow. Right? So that's what the document looks like. For the Word document is editable. You can actually edit the document. So there you go. You've got your summary. It's neatly condensed and ready to use for your report, presentation, study material, or simply for your own reference. So just imagine the possibilities. No more late night stress, no more sifting through pages of information, and Bevinzey's AI Summarize text to key points tool is simply here to make your life easier and for you to work more efficient. So that's how you use the tool. In the next video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use yet another amazing tool that is in Bevinzey, and that will be the text to questions tool. That's a really powerful tool to add to your arsenal as well. And it's all part of the Bevinzey platform. So really, what are you waiting for? Take control of your time, transform the way you process information. So give Bevinzey, your AI-powered learning platform, a try today and experience the benefits of smarter and faster learning that will help skyrocket your performance.